5 gadgets that will blow your mind.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Number 1. Sony Airpeak Drone. The Airpeak S1 is expected to have instant acceleration for a 2.53 kilogram drone, with Sony estimating that it can cover 50 kilometers in 3.5 seconds. The Inspire 2 Pro is 1.5 seconds quicker than the DJI Inspire 2, its main competitor. Number 2. Touchless Video Doorbell. This doorbell is designed to eliminate the need for anyone to press a button physically. The integrated camera and microphone allow you to talk with them without opening the door. That's a fantastic concept, in my opinion. Number 3. Goal Zero Yeti 6000X. The Yeti 6000X is a powerhouse with 6,071 watt-hours and 7 versatile ports for power-consuming devices and appliances. It can power essential home circuits, RVs, trailers, work sites, etc. Number 4. Roborock 7. The Roborock S7 robot vacuum mops with the might of sound, scrubbing up to 3,000 times per minute using sonic mopping technology. In a 300 milliliters electronic water tank, stains from coffee to mud may be effectively cleaned profoundly and thoroughly. Number 5. Amazfit GTS 2. The Amazfit GTS 2 features a bright AMOLED display that rivals the finest in the world. With vibrant colors ensuring easy comprehension, the display features a 341 ppi pixel density that is clear, beautiful, and real. Thank you for watching.